Great stories happens to those who can tell them. I'm Rajalakshmi. Good evening to everybody on this virtual platform for the eKids Story World episode 4. So inside everybody, there is a real storyteller, but waiting to be explained. And I believe today, this evening is a great time for the little explorers of Narayana to come into the virtual platform to take you into the world of fantasy. So, without wasting much of our time, let us invite the elite onto the screen. So, firstly, let me take a wonderful, of course, it's a beautiful and a rare opportunity to call upon a lady who is behind the screen and who is the navigator of this flag to explore the students. One word I can say that this day is because of her. She is none other than Ruposh ma'am, the HOD of eKids. We grandly welcome you onto the screen, ma'am. Am I
Thank
audible, ma'am?
yes. Thank you, Rajlakshmi. Thank you very much. Good evening, one and all. Good evening to all the parents, all the staff members of Narayana, and all the children who are ready to show their talents. Good evening to all. I think kids are fascinating. They surprise us with their hidden talents. We all believe that. We are proud to tell that Narayana School has moved to the next level in teaching and learning. Today, let us all see and enjoy our little ones on this platform giving live show, narrating their stories and showing their talents. On to Rajlakshmi. All the best, children.
Thank you so much, ma'am. In fact, you have motivated and you have just boosted the students in such a way. This evening, they are going to rock the show, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. And
Thank you, Rajlakshmi.
thank you so much, ma'am. Let me call upon one more wonder lady who is the monitor and the navigator, other navigator of this flag of today's evening, Miss Vedavati, ma'am, the HOD of Soft Skill Department. We welcome you onto the screen, ma'am.
Okay. Um,
Rashi
I
ma'am, Veda
we
ma'am
can just move
is
on.
yeah.
We can
Okay.
move on.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. I think ma'am is a little bit unavailable now. So I'd like to call Mr. Shakil, sir, who is the team lead, who is leading the entire team of the story world in proper monitoring and giving the guidelines to each of us in the rehearsals and everywhere. We welcome you onto the screen, sir, Shakil, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, little children. Raji ma'am, I will give my words at the end, right? Let's
Yes,
wait, watch the show, enjoy the show, and then we'll come back.
yes, sir. It's a wonderful evening to call upon Pooja Tiwari, ma'am, one of the eminent personality from the IKITS department over here. Good evening, ma'am. It's a cool welcome to you. Uh,
I think we can go forward, Raj.
yes, yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Without wasting much of the time, let me invite Harita, ma'am, over here. Ma'am, we just want to say good evening to you, Harita, ma'am, the state coordinator of IKITS, not Coastal.
Thank you,
Wow.
Lakshmi ma'am. Hare Krishna.
Wow, we are so pleased to see you, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Let me call upon Safura, ma'am. Safura, ma'am, it's a good evening to you. Welcome to the world of Story World, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Anjum, ma'am, it's a great evening to you.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening to all the dignitaries. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am, for welcoming me.
Thank you, ma'am. So it's a beautiful time to call upon all the sparkles of the central office. Thank you, loads of thank yous to you, ma'am, because today the students, the little kids are on the screen only because of you. Thank you, thanks a lot. Now it's my pride to give my warm wishes to the local authorities, the AGMs of both East and West Godavari. It's a hearty welcome to you, sir. Let me call upon Srinivas, sir, from East Godavari. Hearty welcome to you, sir. And I would like to give my warm wishes to Raghavendra, sir, the AGM of East Godavari, and and even Srinivas Reddy Garu, another AGM of East Godavari district. And I'd like to give my heart warm wishes to Ram Reddy sir, the AGM of West Godavari. Thank you all. Thanks a lot for this wonderful welcoming. Ma'am, Ruposh ma'am, all the welcomes are wonderful, ma'am. So I'm much excited, and I would like to call upon Harita ma'am and Priya ma'am, who are here to surprise us, ma'am. With your permission, shall I call them, ma'am?
Yes, please. Let's carry on.
I'd like to call upon the state coordinator, Harita ma'am, and the zonal coordinator, Priya ma'am, to surprise us. Please welcome onto the virtual screens, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for welcoming. Krishna?
Balarama,
Krishna? Oh, my dear Krishna. I
Balarama.
got a wonderful doubt. Can you tell me,
Yes, Balarama.
how could you lift up such a heavy weight?
Dear Balarama, tell me what is your doubt?
Such a heavy weight of Govardhan Hill. How could you lift it up?
Ha 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 ha. Dear Balarama, you are more powerful than me, but can't you lift it?
No, I can't.
Why?
It was a very difficult task for me to lift it up. How could you?
Yes, no. I won't tell you that secret of that Govardhana Hill. Let's have a story narration by Narayana Tiny Toes. Okay,
Yeah,
about Govardhana Hill. Okay?
let's enjoy it.
In the village of Vrindavan, the villagers celebrated the festival of worshipping Govardhan Hill on the words of Lord Krishna in the place of where God India. So, when God the tangle and order is only to destroy the villages Vrindavan. The villages were worshipping God the hill with great wonder and joy. At that time, the Ajna of Indra, love, pride, and hunger miraculously forced the Lord Krishna concluded, you have true sameness and lifts up the Govardhan hill and disabled the nature from Indra's anger. The Lord Krishna ran peace for the unexpressive star.
Now, Balarama, see the discussion regarding me and our father Nanda Maharaj.
శాతవన్న ముద్ద చెంగెల్వ పూడండ బంగారు మొల్తాడు పట్టు తట్టి శాతవన్న ముద్ద చెంగెల్వ పూడండ బంగారు మొల్తాడు పట్టు తట్టి సంధిత ఎత్తులను సరిమోవ గచ్చులు సంధిత ఎత్తులను సరిమోవ గచ్చులు చిన్ని కృష్ణ నిన్ను చేరకొలుతూ చిన్ని కృష్ణ నిన్ను చేరకొలుతూ. Why you should celebrate this festival of Indra?
As Indra controls the rain, so it is done from many years.
Indra is just doing today by himself.
Oh, my dear son, it's an old tradition.
Then we should worship cows and ants, garden lazy, totally depend on them. We are careful and totally depending on Govardhan Hill. So let's celebrate a festival for Govardhan Hill. Oh my God. By seeing people worshipping the hill, Indra got angry and asked his army to destroy the village. Suddenly, great storm started and the villagers started to find place to protect themselves. Then the Lord Krishna uprooted the Govardhan and lifted on it little finger. These are food to come on this side of this hill. How stupid I am to behave in such a way. The tower was God Lord Krishna. Jai Janatana Krishna Radhikapate Nandana Rukmini Pate Garudavahana Krishna Gopikapate Narana Mohana Krishna Prabhu Sakate Jai Janatana Krishna Radhikapate Nandana Krishna Rukmini Pate Nila Mohana Krishna Sundarakrute Tanna Janasana Krishna Hare Murare Jai Shri Krishna Jai Shri Krishna Jai Shri Krishna.
అబ్బా కృష్ణ నీ లీలలు అమోఘం కదా.
బలరామా విన్నావు కదా, చూసావా కోపం వల్ల
చాలా
ఎంత
బాగా
నష్టం.
చాలా బాగా విన్నాను. ఇప్పుడు
క్రోధోద్భవతి సమ్మోహ సమ్మోహత్ శృతి విభ్రవః శృతి భ్రంశాత్ బుద్ధినాశో బుద్ధినాశత్ ప్రణశ్యతి. క్రోధము వలన అధిక మోహము కలుగును, అధిక మోహము వలన స్మృతి భ్రాంతికి గురి అగును, స్మృతి భ్రాంతించే బుద్ధి నశించును, బుద్ధి నశించినప్పుడు కోపంలో ఏమి చేస్తున్నామో తెలియదు, తన కోపమే తన శత్రువు. ఉండాలి. తెలివితేటలతో ఆలోచనలతో ఒక కోతిరాజు ఏ రకంగా చెప్తున్నాడో నువ్వు చూడు. ఇప్పుడు
కోతిరాజా, ఆహా, దా పద చూద్దాం మన ఇద్దరం.
రా.
నమస్కారం. హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందరూ బాగున్నారా? మేము కూడా బాగున్నాము. మీ అందరికీ కథలు ఇష్టమా? నాకు కూడా చాలా ఇష్టం. అయితే ఈరోజు మనం ఒక మంచి కథని నేర్చుకుందాం. కథ పేరు కపిరాజు త్యాగం. అందులోని పాత్రలు కోటి మహారాజు, మహారాజు, వేటగాడు, భటుడు, కోతుడు. అనగనగా ఒక అడవిలో తీయటి తీయటి మామిడి పండ్లు చెట్లు ఉండేవి. అక్కడ ఉన్న వానర సైన్యమంతా తీయటి పండ్లను తింటూ ఎంతో సంతోషంగా ఉండేవి. ఒక రోజు రాజు అయిన కపిరాజు అక్కడికి వచ్చారు. ఆ తర్వాత ఏమైంది అతన్ని చూద్దాం. మన నారాయణకి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారు. చేద్దామా? ఇచ్చేయండి కోతి రాజా. ఏడు నాటుకొని తిని ఆనందంగా ఉంటున్నాము. కానీ మనకి ప్రమాదం ఉంది. ప్రజలు దానికి మిగిలికుండా తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతారు. అయ్యో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం? ముందుగా పన్నులు కొయ్యండి. ముఖ్యంగా గ్రహించేదో ఒక పన్ను కూడా పడకూడదు. అలాగే కోతి రాజా. కరండి కోతులారా, కన్నాను కోసేద్దాం. అన్ని కోసేసాను, కానీ ఒక పన్ను మాత్రం నిద్ర పడుతుంది. ఏం జరిగింది? ఒక వేటగాడికి నా వద్దకు ఎందుకు వచ్చావు? అవును, ఇది చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. తీయటి సువాసన వస్తుంది. వెంటనే పల్లెటూరు కనుక్కొని మహామంత్రి, మహారాజా, మన రాజ్యానికి పక్కనున్న అడవిలో దొరకవచ్చు. అదిగోండి మామిడి చెట్టు, ఆ మధుర ఫలాలు. పట్టులారా, వెంటనే పల్లెలు కొయ్యండి. అయ్యో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం? గట్టిగా అర్థం, భయపడి పారిపోతారు. పట్టులారా, ఆ కోటిపై పారాలేయండి. ఆ చెట్లు పట్టుకుని పారిపోండి. అలాగే కోతి రాజా, మీరు జాగ్రత్త. భలే దొరికావు కోతి రాజా. వద్దు, ఆ కోతి రాజును ఏమీ చేయొద్దు. ఓ కోతి రాజా, ఎందుకు నిన్ను కాపాడుకోకుండా నీ ప్రాణాన్ని అడ్డు పెట్టుకొని ఆ కోతిని కాపాడావు? కాపాడుతాం, తర్వాత ప్రాణం, అదే న్యాయం. ఓ కోతి రాజా, ఎంత మంచి మాట చెప్పావు. నా కళ్ళు తెరిపించావు. ఈ చెట్లు, ఈ పండ్లు అన్ని మీవే. సంతోషంగా తిని హాయిగా ఉండండి. ఆ తర్వాత నుండి మహారాజు ప్రజలందరినీ కన్న బిడ్డలా చూసుకుంటారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
చాలా చక్కగా చెప్పారు పిల్లలు. That was a wonderful story narration by our little birds. Thank you all for the story, dear children. Really, all that hard work done by our eKids vice principals and supportive parents of West Godavari and East Godavari districts is clearly visible here. And really, it is not easy task to bring all the 29 branches children to one common platform. Really, a great hard work is done by the parents and teachers. Thank you. Really, all did a wonderful job. Thank you all once again. Now, firstly, let me take a wonderful chance to call upon a lady of distinct vision, a towering personality with a fountainhead of illuminating ideologies, a symbol of success, who is having her own mark for her administration. She is none other than our Mrs. Anfi, the principal of TP Gudem branch. I welcome ma'am to give you a voice over the show.
Thank you, Praveen sir. Thank you for that great introduction. Um, good evening to all the Zoom sharing members. Feeling very proud and lucky to be part of this wonderful program. Especially those talented students who are sharing the platform here and showcasing their immense talent, the eKids students' talent in form of tale reciting. Very proud of you all students, very well done, and would like to specially render my thanks to Roopkosh ma'am and Central Office Department of Soft Skill for rendering this golden opportunity for the students for showcasing this program. Thank you to all. Thank you, sir. Praveen sir, special thanks to you also and Anjum ma'am, because you both worked on the ground level and made the student do this. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for energizing us, and thanks for blessing our kids also. And now it's time for me, and it's more than a pleasure to invite a famous personality who is among us, a towering personality, and who has back years of experience in the field of education. He is none other than Mr. Vijay Kumar, the principal of Palgulu branch. May I request, sir, to please give your voice over the program, sir. I think sir may not be available, will be joining us very shortly. Now I hand over to Priya ma'am.
Wow, Krishna, such a courageous monkey to save all the monkey from the king, isn't it?
Yeah, Brother Balarama. Now let us have a clever minister in the king's court by a story, Akbar Bibar.
One day, a rich man wanted to get his second husband from stealing his wife's valuable necklace and reported this theft in the appropriate court. Why did you has stolen the necklace from the place? Your Majesty, I have myself seen him stealing the necklace. Do they feel innocent? Asked him to pull Rosan's white holding hot iron rod in his bare hands. If he do so, then I will believe that he has not stolen my necklace. Yes, then come to work tomorrow and hold on hot iron rod. Oh, my people, please don't worry, I will solve your problem. I am ready for the next Yes, you are right. His feet should, his hands should not work. No, my lord, let me ask my wife, as my wife has misplaced it somewhere. Hey, you direct me to the necklace to ask her. democracy always wins.
विद समझदार बीरबल था अकबर के राज में।
हाँ, पर बीरबल बिल्कुल घमंडी नहीं था। कृष्णा, ये तेरे हाथ में क्या है? मुझे तो लगा एक लाल गुलाब लेकर आएगा अभी।
लाल गुलाब।
वाह, बिल्कुल। अभी क्या बताने वाला है लाल गुलाब के बारे में?
ये कहानी सुनेंगे लाल गुलाब।
तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा लाल गुलाब?
तुमने से क्यों कहा लाल गुलाब? जंगल में कई तरबूज है। सब उसे देख रहे हैं और नियाज़े हैं। उस तरफ देखो, कागज वाला कैक्टस मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ। वो मेरा पड़ोसी है। भगवान एक उद्देश्य के बिना कोई भी जीवन का निर्माण नहीं करता। लाल गुलाब। अरे क्या हुआ? मैं तो सूख गया। मुझे पानी चाहिए। पानी तो कैक्टस
कुछ बता।
पानी तो कैक्टस से पूछ लो। कैक्टस बच्चे को भी पानी देता है। कैक्टस के अंदर पानी है। हाँ, तुम इस पानी को पी सकते हो। गोरा कैक्टस से मदद मारने से गोरा है तुम्हारी ये पानी लाएगी। मैं बहुत समझ गया हूँ। कैक्टस का रूप देखकर मैं बहुत गलत समझा। मैं कैक्टस, मैं तुम्हें माफी मांगती हूँ। किसी का रूप देखकर अपनी राय नहीं बदलना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Oh Krishna, such a proudness of rose plant.
Yes, dear Balaram. You know what is our next story?
Again, something about proudness?
Yes. Do you want to see?
Yeah. But not the proudness. Let us have a smartness.
Okay, sure.
That
Let us
in,
watch.
maybe with Tenali Ramakrishna?
Exactly. Tenali Ramakrishna.
Ratroji looks like a wise man. Yes, yes, let's go. Who will find somebody? Okay, come. Excuse me, sir. Hello, greetings. Please tell us who are you, sir? You seem to be new in the city. Yeah, this is my first time here. Good. And what do you do? I shall tell you everything, but you first tell me one thing. Who is this man, Tenali Rama? Who is Tenali Rama? What are you talking? He's very, very wise man. Haha, even I am wise. That too, very wise. What did Tenali Rama do? Why do you want to know about Tenali Rama? Had they called him a wise man. Fine. Bring him back. What you need to do? Get me king court. Okay, sure, Rajpuraji. Ha, yes. Oh my king, this wise man has come from great distance just to meet you. Greeting. What? This wise man could speak many languages fluently. What are you saying? Yes, Myla, I am very fluent in 60 languages. Then I hear that there are so many wise intellect scholars in your court. That's why I should come here. Yes, there are many scholars in our kingdom, and they should give you place in my court too. I make it back, but before that, I like to take in knowledge of the scholars in your court. If they are successful, then I stay in this court. What is court scholars? Astrology is going to be a test. Okay, I cannot be called 15 languages that I know. From the 21 subjects from a court can point one is a mother day, and I have considered that everyone in the court is part of the system. Many scholars in our kingdom, and they should give. Out of that, creating one will be able to discover our whether you must touch. Okay, can anyone tell me? Why Tenali Lama are you not able to find this mass other time? To discover in marathon, sometimes in his company very much necessary. At Tenalira, he left a gate design in my camp. Why don't you go in Rumi Vijayanagara and Pradra company and able to teach Vijayanagara? Great! For talking, I'll request you all to company as. Let's go. Let's accompany you. Hoping afternoon dinner, he turned and today, and he said, we don't make any pieces here for your wife. You should sit. Come, Nari Lama. Let's sit. Your city is very beautiful. I like it. On the topic, we have Gujarat people, Sadish Tamil in our kingdom. Trust me, their influences were present too. Mama came home. What happened? Look, Koki, your wife Tanali had picked me with her. See how much I lost my white man like it. Doing that lovely does not suit him. The white man Marathon is Gujarati. How can you say? My king, whenever a person is at pain, he speaks with Marathon. To discover in Marathon, I have to cause him some pain. At my mother Tangi, in this space, so until and has no tell I about you.
Krishna?
Yeah, Balaram.
Wow. Such a wonderful story of Tenali Ramakrishna.
Yes, Balaram. Storytelling is at the heart of life. I was never bored because I could always get on with my stories.
Wow,
Hope you
Krishna.
enjoyed, Balarama.
Yeah, you made my evening such a fabulous with these many stories. Wow, Krishna, wow. Thank you. Thank you for all the tiny thoughts.
Thank you so much, Balarama and Lord Krishna, for even making us awesome in this beautiful evening. Thanks a lot for all the beautiful kids who made this evening bright and beautiful. So, what is your understanding about Narayana kids? Yes, it's a land of exploring tender minds, tender kids into future citizens by just nourishing them social, physical, and intellectual skills. Yes, in one word, we can say that quality education in the early childhood. Let us listen this from the words of Miss Sapura and Miss Anjum, who are here with us on the screen. We welcome you both beautiful ladies on the screen. You're on mute, ma'am. Sapura, ma'am. You're on mute.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Oh my goodness, today's show was really breathtaking performance by all the little ones. What do you say about it, Anjum?
Yes, Safura, we at Narayana offers unparalleled quality of holistic education to explore tender minds.
Yes, it's true. We create our learning in such beautiful activities where children enjoy while doing. In fine motor activities, we have clay molding, thumb printing, dabbing, origami, paper collage. All these activities strengthen their finger muscles for a perfect tripod grip and also develop eye-hand coordination. In gross motor activities, we have jumping, hopping, running, stretching, and skipping. All these develop their long muscles. Oh, Anjum, can you express your feeling and experience in teaching and learning of literacy, numeracy, and general awareness?
Yes, Safura, literacy is nothing but teaching language, not only speaking but also writing. Numeracy is all about playing with numbers, shapes, and colors. Coming to general awareness, awareness helps the students in identifying and knowing their surroundings. Isn't it, Safura?
Yes, Anjum, this story time was wonderful. Can you tell me how this story time helps the kid in day-to-day life?
Yes, Safura. Young learners shares a remarkable experiences, values of life, and different ways of understanding. The language they learn is the tool used to shape their thoughts and feelings. Stories provide a common thread that can help the children to mold themselves in a new culture.
I truly believe that story time helps kids to develop verbal and non-verbal. In verbal, students have learned pronunciation, voice modulation, and vocabulary. And coming to non-verbal, students have learned expression, hand and body coordination, fine and gross motor skills, and it improves confidence in the child to do public speaking.
Yes, you are right, Safura. As the story time builds confidence in the child to speak his feelings out and also builds interest in reading different kinds of books other than textbooks. It also develops listening skills, which is very essential for a student.
Yes, Anjum, whatever we have been speaking is right. Let others understand in what way do the kids make use of these stories in their lifetime.
Sure, every parent and teacher need to understand that stories play a vital role in everybody's life. Stories teaches morals, values, build imagination, develops creative thinking, and problem solving. Most important, to express their emotions. In today's stories, we have learned trusting God in Govardhanagiri story, living in harmony in Kapiraju Gari Tyagam story, Birbal cleverness in Akbar and Birbal story, kindness is better than beauty in Ghamandi Gulab story, wittiness and smartness of Tenali in Tenali Ramakrishna story. Isn't it, Safura?
Yes, Anjum, it's true. That was wonderfully said. Further, going in Narayana, every child has to enjoy learning. I feel this was a proud moment for every parent in seeing the child presenting such a beautiful session. We, the staff members of Narayana, thank all the parents for their support. Over to Praveen sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, Safura ma'am, and Anju ma'am, for just showing the clear picture of what is really happening inside the four walls. Really, most of the parents think that what is kids just it's a matter of alphabet or number, but what are all we have really, you have shown a clear picture, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the beautiful support, ma'am. And now I'd like to call upon a lady onto the screen. If at all I have to call somebody as dynamic, it's definitely Kavita ma'am, the principal from KKD, Kakinada Zone. We welcome you onto the virtual screen, ma'am. We're just eager to listen to your voice and how the performance of the kids is.
Ma'am, good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, good evening to everyone. Just I need to tell a small thing. Just when the children are going to sleep, they used to ask us the stories, and we used to narrate a story to them, and we used to make them to sleep. But now our Narayana children are in such a way they'll narrate stories to the parents, and they'll make the parents to sleep. In such a way, they narrated. Really wonderful. I need to appreciate the state coordinators and the joint coordinators and the teachers who made the day. Good, great job. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Our Narayan children made the day.
More than anybody, the parent support was so much.
Yes, really, ma'am.
Incredible support from the parents. Only we could be success today. And I think the first thanks goes to the parents who have made our day.
That's true. Because now the parents will sleep when the children are narrating the stories in such a way they narrated. Really wonderful, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for boosting us and even our students. Thank you so much, madam. Now, the clock has clicked to invite the responsible person who is well known for her simplicity, who works from dawn to dusk, guiding the students to their wonderful futures. She is none other than our Mrs. Frozen, the principal of Pichapuram branch. I request ma'am to give her valuable feedback and bless our children. Welcome, ma'am. Please welcome.
Yeah. Good evening to all the dignitaries present over here. So, yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening, Rupus madam. Thank you for everyone to giving this wonderful opportunity to speak over here. And this is a great event which have been conducted to the Tiny Tots, where they have given a great wishes to the Narayana sir and Group Coach madam for arranging this type of storytelling for the kids who are very well known, and especially to my Tiny Tot, Tenali Raman story they have taken. She has worked a lot for that, really, and very special thanks to the parents. Really, the parent support is very good, and they are being supported for each and every moment in every aspect of our competitions. Thank you one and all. Thank you for giving the students a wonderful opportunity and making their bring out the talents out with a good event. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for your valuable words. Really, the words mean a lot to us. Thank you. Thank you once again. Now, it's my honor, more than a pleasure, to invite famous personality who is among us, a good motivator and a man of having great vision. He is none other than Mr. Manohar Reddy, the principal of Annam branch. Please welcome you, sir, to give your valuable words.
Is Mr. Manohar available on the platform?
Mohan Reddy, ma'am. Mohan Reddy.
Mohan Reddy. I'm sorry. Is Mohan Reddy available? Mr. Mohan Reddy?
Yeah, ma'am. Very
Yes.
good evening to
Very good
all the
evening.
dignitaries. Really awesome, very colorful Zoom. I'm absolutely sorry. I am unable to on my video since here the signal strength is very low. Hope you all will understand. Really very awesome, colorful screen as Kavita madam as remaining as Rupkosh madam said. Really, from the core of my heart, we should thanks to our beloved parents. Really awesome preparation. Even though in this pandemic, if parents are showing in such a way the interest, if during the normal days, really I'm missing those particular days a lot. So hope let's all pray to the Almighty to save us from this pandemic, and let's all move to the regular days so that we can celebrate such type of programs in a very grand way. Once again, I congratulate to each and everyone. Even I heard some few stories. Even I should thank our chairman sir to introduce such beautiful academics. And really, even state coordinators in those costumes and all, really, they made beautiful attraction to the program. So I was a little bit confused by seeing those faces. Who are they? Suddenly, my state coordinator, E-Kids, Harita madam, really, I'm totally shocked by seeing her in that costume. Even though really awesome, Andy. I'm feeling very fortunate enough to be a part of Narayana Group. Thank you once again for making me a part of this program. Really, I congratulate each and everyone who are involved to this program for making a grand success. From according to my side, awesome, really. Thank you so much, Madam Rupkosh ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Mohan. Thank you. It's all of because of your efforts that you have given that freedom to your teachers and VPs and have given us the opportunity to work on this. And we would like to thank you also for everything.
Yeah, Mama. Thank you. And last but not the least, I want to thank my journal coordinator also,
yes,
Kapura madam. Really, she simply she is awesome in her work, madam. Really, we are in a very tough time, especially in Yanam, since we are running the branch under the norms of Puducherry government. So we have some struggles of working days. So even those in that particular peak time also, she supported a lot with the parents even. So
great,
once again,
great to
thanks to
listen.
everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We understand that you are having technical issue, but then still, thank you so much with your sharing of your experience. Now you have taken us somewhere else, and with these words that you have given us, sure, we all will forget all the efforts that they have kept forward, all the parents and as well as the students. Thank you so much, sir.
Praveen, I would request you to call Mrs. Pooja Tiwari onto the platform for her words.
Yes. So now may I feel honored to invite Mrs. Tiwari ma'am to please give your valuable voice back.
Thank you so much, sir. It's okay because you do not recognize me that much. I'm a new joinee in Narayana. No, sir, it's absolutely fine. And I have no words to express what I felt about today's performance. I suppose I really appreciate the talent and the excellence with which our young performers have performed today. I suppose the parents would agree with me that here today we have reflected the motive of Narayana E-Kids, that parents and teachers together can bloom a child into a beautiful flower. And that we can witness it today. It was the collective efforts of all the teachers and all the parents that the students have given this fantastic performance today. So thank you everybody. Thank you the Narayana team. Thank you the parents. And I suppose parents, you'll be giving us the same support so that we can work on your child and we can give the best to them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. In fact, we are very much honored to have your presence in this platform, madam. Thank you so much. Now, let me take privilege to invite one of the eminent personalities of Narayana Group of Schools and who is having his own mark in the field of education. Now, may I call upon Mr. Ramchandra Prasad, the principal of Mandapeta, to give your voice over the show. I welcome, sir.
Praveen sir, I think you're on mute.
No issue. The sir will be joining us shortly, and once he joins, we shall have a word from him.
Right. In the meanwhile, let me take a wonderful opportunity to call upon the responsible parents who are with us, because as Rupkosh ma'am said that today the 100% credit we should definitely give to our parents, because without them we may not conduct this show today like this. So it is my privilege to call the parent of Ishant from Tadepalli Gudem. Ma'am, are you here with us? We feel really proud to call you on the screen to share your valuable feedback, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Myself, mother of Narayana Ishan, Aparna, PP2 E-Kids, Tadepalli Gudem branch.
Yes,
actually, I feel very much privileged to be a part of this show. Really feeling great. Such a very fantastic, fabulous performance by E-Kids of all the branches. Very great initiative by Narayana Group of Institutions. In this pandemic situation also, I feel very much privileged. My son is studying in Narayana Group of Institutions. Thank you for the very much great support to all the teachers, staff of Narayana Group.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. In fact, it's your valuable feedback wherein all the teachers' hard work, ma'am, really working with the students in the regular classes and training them up separately in the afternoon. Really, your words have filled our hearts with happiness. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Now I'd like to call upon Suhira's parent from Eluru, who is with us here. Please welcome onto the screen, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Myself, Pavani. I'm Harika's parent from Eluru. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to Narayana Institutions for conducting this kind of programs to enhance the skills in the students. Really, it is a very difficult task to make such a small kids to narrate the stories like this. So special thanks to the teachers also. So thank you so much for making my child as a part of this program. Thank you, Narayana Institutions also. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful, ma'am. In fact, we have to thank you a lot for the support you have given. Like it is like the teacher support from one end, and as a parent, you have supported us a lot in training your child, ma'am. Thanks a lot. It's a collaborative work, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you on this beautiful evening. I'd like to call upon Lal Ahmad parent from Nidadavolu. Ma'am, are you here, ma'am? The parent of Lal Ahmad, a student of Nidadavolu branch.
Lal Ahmad parent respond.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening to everyone, and it's a great pleasure to talk on to you all here. And really, it's a pandemic going on, and still we have teachers cooperating with us, and we have students learning more and more than going to the school. I see it as. And thank you so much for the teachers and all the moderators who are conducting these such kind of activities and all. This really helped a lot children to improve themselves in this pandemic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. And definitely we can say that quality education at one place, and definitely it is Narayana. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. And over to Praveen.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Now let me invite Kaumuti's parent from Nidadavolu. So please give your feedback about the program, madam.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
This is Srividya, mother of Kaumudi, PP2 Nidadavollu branch. I am so happy to share my feelings now. I am satisfied with my doctor's performance in this pathetic situation because these teachers playing very difficult role to educate children. They are taking more care about COVID-19 and giving education also. So I am thankful to everyone teacher, bottom to my heart. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you, Narayana Education. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. In fact, without your great support, this program could have not happened. Thanks a lot for all that you have done. Thank you, madam. Now let me invite Madhav parent from RR Pet.
Good evening, all. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the team members of Narayana Group for making this exam very successful. All the children have performed very well. I'm very happy to see them. Good support from all the parents. Actually, this is a great idea by Narayana Group. They are creating such a good platform for kids to show the talent. And a special thanks to all the teachers. They are really supportive and they always encourage the kids. Finally, good job by Narayana Group. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. In fact, a word thank you is not enough, we all believe. Really, you did a very wonderful job, dear parents. Though you are busy with your busy schedule and all, but then still you have kept a separate time for the students to train. We all thank you from the group of Narayana schools. Thank you, parents. Now let me invite Mahashwini, parent from KKDNs.
Right, sir. In the meanwhile, shall I take an opportunity to call upon one more responsible parent of Chitrika from Pitapuram?
Good evening to all the dignitaries present over here. I'm so glad that my kid Chaitika is one of the participants in this event. Even in this pandemic situation, Narayana Group of Schools has given a great platform to show their inner traits. Behind the success of this event, there is an enormous hard work of each and every kid and each and every parent. With their support only, they have given this event a successful. I sincerely thank all the teachers, principals, coordinators, and all the dignitaries who have made this show a great success and giving them a very different experience in this age. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Mr. Praveen, can we have few more parents?
Yes, dear all parents, if anybody would like to speak, you're all welcome. Just unmute and give your feedback.
I think Praveen.
Yeah, morning, sir.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my husband's father. We were waiting for you.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, this is a very nice initiative. My son and all participants are very good, and I think this is the time we have to move more than offline online classes, because this pandemic session and in future how many this type of accidents will happen, or this type of session will come, we don't know. So whether we leave we do not leave all our choices on government decision or some other decision. We have to take decision our own and try to more convenient in online classes, because children are very nervous and their mindset is not focus on the online classes. I think this is a very good session for storytelling. By this, we can attract him on online classes more. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. In fact, this is really wonderful As parents, you people are the witness of all the activities which are going on. Really, we have to thank a lot to the management for giving these kind of wonderful opportunities. So before I'm feeling little bad that the event is done. All the magical narrators are here so quiet. But it is definitely we have to conclude this because we have to meet with another wonderful program. So in the meanwhile, I'd like to call upon Mr. Shakil sir, who is left over here to share his wonderful experience. If you are here, sir, you can give your wonderful, like I can say, it's not a feedback, your experience with us.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening once again. In fact, there is no restriction to stories. Children love it. We adults, recollect the stories that we have come across in our life and try to learn something new from every story that we come across. And grandparents adore narrating it and listening from their grandchildren. And today, my dear children, believe me, you have made this even a splendid one. And one of the most memorable day, one of the most memorable evening, in fact. Okay, and Raji ma'am, believe me, it's an awesome way to end a day just before Ram Navami, because yes, tomorrow we are all celebrating Ram Navami, right? So congratulations, every little tiny tots, for your first journey, going live and narrating the story wonderfully. And I would like to also say one thing, that children, the way you have narrated is awesome. Lot of confidence. I mean, till morning when I have witnessed your rehearsal, I was little skeptical how you're going to do it. I was wondering ki kya hoga sham ko. But then children, the way you have pulled it up is awesome. It's all because your teachers were there to train you, and not to forget, yes, the backbone of any event, lovely parents. Dear parents, without your constant support, without your continuous support, we cannot pick up any activity or any event. So thank you for being with us, and thank you for supporting us, anticipating the same for the future, that yes, we have your tremendous support to conclude and to help us in molding the children, giving the knowledge that is going to help them in the coming future. And before I conclude, at Narayana, we strongly believe learning never stops. It's a challenge for everyone. Every day, every event, every activity brings a new challenge. So with this, thank you everyone. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much, sir. Before handing it over to Ms. Pavani, ma'am, Rupkoj ma'am, I just want to tell you one thing, ma'am, because storytelling was heard once upon a time, ma'am. Because when all the families are joint families, all the grandparents, especially Nanama and Amama, they used to tell the stories, but nowadays all the modern moms, everybody forgot it, ma'am. But today, because of you, the beautiful ladies, Veda ma'am and Rupkoj ma'am, I can say that because of your brainchild, really all the stories are here. So it's a heartfelt thank you to both of you, ma'am. Rupkoj ma'am, I'm like, I can't stop myself without saying these words. Anyhow, it's a wonderful show, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajlakshmi. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Over to Ms. Pavani, who is here with us.
A warm and splendid evening to all present here. I feel it's a great privilege to propose vote of thanks. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and shows us a new path. Thanks to all the speakers of the occasion and sharing your opinions today. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers for your support and encouragement for this event. Last but not the least, a big wow to all our beautiful butterflies who made this event mesmerizing and memorable today. Thanks to the head of the eKids department, Rupkoj ma'am, and eKids team. A very big thanks to head of soft skills department, Veda ma'am, and team for supporting our tiny thoughts.
Thank you, ma'am. Such a beautiful vote of thanks. Rupkoj ma'am and Shakil sir, we are done with the beautiful show. Successfully done, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We can end this show, Shakil.
We can end this show definitely. And parents, stay tuned. Check out for tomorrow's episode. One more wonderful episode is going to come up. And I think, Roop ma'am, I think we are having another 6 episodes to go, right?
Yes. And
Today is 4th. There are
yes, we can just invite all the parents of East Godavari and West Godavari to enter into tomorrow's session and enjoy Sri Ram Navami with our children.
Thank you, ma'am. And before we conclude, Roop ma'am, initially when the discussion was happening regarding the story, I was really nervous. So in fact, I even spoke to ma'am, Veda ma'am, and said, Madam, how are we going to pull it up? No worries, we can. And today I'm really happy to say that, yes, we did it.
Yes,
So thank
Shakil. Yes, Shakil. You truly said yesterday evening also. I was so confused. Like, will this happen? Will this go the way? But Harita, Priya, Safura, Anjum, thank you everyone for this great show. Thank you.